I was sent this 6-pack of protein shaker bottles for my review. I absolutely love that they stack inside each other. So when you're putting them in the cupboard, you can just kind of do that, and the lids kind of like sit on top of each other like that. So it definitely helps with space. So you've got all the really fun colors. If you're not into the colors, they have so many different options. You can go with really boring colors and just like get all black if you want to, but I am a huge fan of the colors. I think it's really fun. You do get 6 of the little shaker balls as well. If I'm being totally honest, I love a good protein shake. I've never actually used, maybe I did once forever ago, one of these containers with like the little ball. So I'm interested to see how well it works. So I've just grabbed like one of my like favorite go-to like protein shakes here. I'm going to throw this in, and then I'm going to throw in a scoop of protein powder right here. And then obviously, you know, if it's not shaken really well, it gets super clumpy and like it makes it really hard to drink. These are also dishwasher safe, and they are meant to be leak proof. So we're going to check that out. This is 28 ounces. So you do have up here on the sides, it goes up to 22 ounces. But then, you know, once you have your lid on, then you can go up to 28. So let's go ahead and drop this in. Hopefully, I feel like I should have put that in first. I'm not sure. As I said, I've literally only used that little ball like once. But I've seen lots of videos of people do it. It looks super fun. All right. I'm really hoping this is leak proof. Yeah, you can hear that ball rolling around. That's definitely helping it all mix in together. So I know we're meant to drink from here, but I just want to open it up because I do. Clearly leak proof. Yay, that's awesome. I do want to check in here just to see if it's all like mixy mix, and it is. Look, there's no clumps, which is awesome. Then we're going to drink from the lid. Again, another good way to see. Let's actually do like a tip test. Why do I get so nervous? Okay, we're good. We're leak proof. All right, and let's go ahead. Yep, no clumps. That is delicious. I love that you have all the different ones. So of course, you know, if you're having different flavors, you're bringing a couple of them with you on the go, throw it in the dishwasher. These are fantastic.